Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. This is an information video. We are going to light up an LED using free electricity. We need three things for this: one LED, one 3.3K resistor and a 3-pin power socket. The resistor can be connected to any terminals of LED. We are connecting the resistor in series with the LED terminals. Since this is a testing of free electricity, I am not soldering the resistor to the terminals of LED. Instead of that, I am just joining the resistor to the LED terminals. This is our 3-pin power socket. You can see right side is phase or live wire, which is dangerous. Center top with the big hole is earth and left side is neutral line socket. We are connecting the LED terminals across earth and neutral line. Normally switch is connected to phase line. You can even switch off the control and still the technique will work out. You can see the LED is lighting. The LED is flickering because of the presence of AC signal. My studio is having very good brightness. That is why the brightness of LED is very less. This is actually a free electricity. You can even touch the terminals of the LEDs and you will not get electric shock. Your electricity meter will not move a single digit if you are lighting this LED. This will work even at power down time. The control switch has no effect in the LED light. You can switch it on or switch it off. Still the LED will continue glowing. I will switch off the studio light and let's see how much brightness the LED is lighting. The potential difference between the neutral and the earth line is around 4.5 volt. We are utilizing this for lighting the LED. But there is one problem with this. The problem is you will be having ELCB or earth leakage circuit breaker in your home. If the current flowing through the earth line is near to 30 milliampere, then this will trip and break the electricity flow. But still the LED will be lighting because ELCB is tripping the phase line. This is because it is sensing that somebody is getting electric shock and is actually protecting us. It can be blocked by reducing the current flow through the earth line by adding this 3.3K resistor to the LED, which we already done. Now the current will be below 5 milliampere and will not trip the ELCB. I believe that this information was very much useful to you, and if yes, please click like button and share this to your friends. If you have any doubt related to this video, then please comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.